Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your environment, Python 3. 8 or newer and pip are required. Once done, install Nuitka plus wheel and setup tools with pip. Make sure a C compiler like GCC or MSVC is available. Now place your entry file, for example app, py, in a clean project folder and verify imports run with Python app. Py. Then open a terminal in that folder and get ready to invoke Nuitka with basic options. This starts the build process immediately. Next, you compile and control packaging. Run Nuitka follow import standalone app. Py to capture dependencies. Choose one file if you want a single executable, though startup differs. If you have GUI needs, add Windows Disable Console. For plugin managed packages, enable relevant plugins. Make sure to read the terminal output. Nuitka reports missing modules or linker errors. If a module is skipped, add explicit include flags or plugin directories. Then rebuild. This middle stage resolves dependency and linker D. To finish, run the compiled binary on a clean machine or container and verify behavior exactly matches the Python run. Once confirmed, optionally strip or compress artifacts with UPX and sign binaries on platforms that require it. If something fails at runtime, rebuild with shows cons and increased verbosity to inspect compilation steps and linker commands. That reveals missing files or incompatible C settings. Finally, iterate. Adjust includes, recompile, and retest until the executable is stable for distribution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.